Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything.
Yes. Hi guys, how are you? So today I am getting ready. I mean, it's not my wedding day, but you know, I'm a guest, so why not to show you guys? Since we're not a bride, simple lang ang makeup natin, di ba? Kasi hindi naman tayo kakasal, di ba? Guest lang, no? So we are here at Kauai, here in Hawaii. So the weather is like Philippines, but malapit kami sa tubig, malapit kami sa beach, hindi masyadong mainit. So I was thinking my makeup is waterproof. Charot! Joke lang, wala namang waterproof na makeup talaga. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick, simple, easy wedding guest makeup. So the wedding is at 4 and I don't want to be late kasi it's American wedding. It's not Filipino wedding, and I'm saying. So I need to be there on time, sharp. So without further ado, let's get right into this. And my brows is done. So to prime my face, I am using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I got the sample size because I'm traveling and the full size is expensive. And excuse me for my background noise. For my foundation, I am using my Laura Mercier today because this one is a long wearing and it's going to be a long night, you know. I'm going to dance and I want my foundation to stay long. That's why I prep my skin really well. So yeah, and I'm using my Morphe E6 because you know your girl, she wants flawless and seamless as possible. And after this brush, I am using my beauty blender. So the next thing that we're gonna do, we will be doing our concealer. So I am using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC25. No, wrong. NC42. Well, I changed my mind. I am using my MAC Pro Longwear in NC25 because it's almost out. Actually, no, it's out. Oh God, Lord, that is too light. Well, that is too much highlight. I'm going to mix that with my Sephora Bright Future, and this is in Cream Caramel. And let's just do this. Okay, and let's buff that. We are going to blend this. And do not mind my background. And now let's set this with my Laura Mercier. So my camera died. Hindi kinaya. So let's do it one more time. Alright, so let me set that concealer. And for my eyes, I'm not doing anything special really because as I've told you, I'm only a wedding guest. Alrighty, and now let's move on to our eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I will be using my Sephora Pro palette, and this is in the New Nudes. This palette, you guys, is really pretty. This is my first Sephora Pro palette, and it's gorgeous. It's pigmented. It's beautiful shades. Like, look at this. Pink, nude, smoky. It's in everything in here. I don't know what to use today, but as I said, I want something simple. So first, I'm gonna use this color right here for my transition. I'm gonna go for like soft look today. I am doing this eyes here and then this eyes off cam. Oh my God, ang pink. Ay, hindi ko kinaya. And I'm gonna keep blending. And now for my outer V, I will be using this one. Gonna use a little bit of shimmer today, and I'm gonna drag this inside just like that. Oh, diba? Yan, okay na yan. And now for my inner corner, I am using this one here. It's called Sun Kissed. I forgot my shading brush, so now I'm using my finger, and let's just pack this in. Ay, taray. Kunting shima-shima. Yan. Just gonna use this Morphe brush. Ay, nasobrahan. Okay lang. It's fine. Okay, going back to the boots color, I am using this here. and blend lang. Yes, diba? Simple lang. That's it. And now let me just go ahead and do the other side, and I will be back, okay? Hi, I'm back. Just kidding. So you see my left eye is left, yeah. My left eye is done, and I only use mascara because I told you guys I'm gonna be very simple today. For my right eyes, I'm using my Lancome Definicils in Cells Booster. You know my deal. Okay, actually I forgot. So here in the bottom, I'm using the Boots color, the first color I used in my outer V. But since I forgot my pencil brush, I am using Q-tips. You don't need a pencil brush. If you have Q-tips, you're good to go. So if there's a will, there's a way. If there's a way, there's a will. And using the shimmer color, I will be using that here in the bottom. Actually, my friend is in front of me while I'm filming. Okay, that's fine. So for my mascara, I am using my Dior Show, and this is a pump in volume in waterproof because, as I've said, I am going to cry, and I don't want to cry, and my tears is color black. It's not cute, dripping in my face. So we were using a waterproof pang matagalan, diba? So let's use this. Yes, girl, we don't need falsies, okay? Actually, this Dior mascara waterproof is really good. Later on, I am going to curl my eyelashes. Now let's move on to our face. Alright. To contour my face, I am using my Hoola Benefit bronzer. Just a little bit, not too much. And then my hairline. And now let's move on to our bronzer. So for my bronzer, I am using my MAC Give Me Sun. And this is my blush brush actually. I'm just gonna use this. So yeah, the reason why I don't have a lot of brush and makeup is because I'm trying to be a minimalist person, but still I excess my baggage. Like 5 pounds. Yes. Oh, awesome blossom. So for my blush, I am using a Note from Note Cosmetics, and this is what you call Desert Rose. So you smile like this, and you have these cheekbones, your apples of your cheeks. So the wedding is 4 p.m. We need to be there at what time, P? 3:30?
3:45.
3:45, and they have a welcome drink for us, which is we're very excited because it's free, okay? The best thing in life is free. So grab it, take it, and drink it. Right, P?
Correct.
There you go. Hi, Jesus. P, we're good?
We're good.
Let me see. Awesome blossom.
You look pretty?
Absolutely.
Janet.
Awesome. Hey, that's because of me. Awesome. So for my highlighter today, I am using, I don't know yet. I am using the Physicians Formula, which is my all-time favorite. It's inexpensive, it's pigmented, it's gorgeous, and all skin types can use this. And this is in the shade Vegas Strip. It's highlighter time. Be generous with it. See, just simple. So for my lips, I will be using my Anastasia, and this is in the shade Hudson. So it's a nude color, but I'm going to top this with a lip gloss because this is too matte. So to top it up, I'm using my Dior, and this is in the lip gloss 966. To be honest with you, I'm blind, so I don't know what shade is this, but it looks like this. This has been my to-go and favorite lip gloss at the moment. So it looks dark in the camera, but it's not really dark. So this is our look. Let me just go ahead and do my hair and fix everything and put my clothes on, and I will be back. Okay. Hey guys, so this is our final look. Diba? This is my simple wedding guest makeup look. So I'm saying, you got my shoes, got my dress, and I got my hair pulled up, and then a cute clutch. So this is my outfit and my makeup for a wedding guest. Yes, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you had fun with this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me some love, show me some like, and do not forget to subscribe and be a member of my small family. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! Kaalis na nga, bye!
I just wanna dance. I just wanna